Okay, so today we are going to have a Webflow workshop together with Antoine. It's gonna be a fun day. We're gonna work on some Webflow stuff. We're gonna create something very cool. Stay tuned on that. Now I'm on my way to see Antoine in this beautiful morning here. So here in the lobby, waiting for Antoine to start this workshop. Very excited to what's gonna come up. Stay tuned, see you in a bit. All right, so here we are with Antoine, starting this workshop, all set up with the gimbals and stuff. We're gonna build something very cool, stay tuned. Okay, so project brief. Let's get the project brief. So what are we doing today?
Hello there. So today we're doing a website. The website we're doing is for a SaaS platform called Colibris, and it's basically a platform that is helping businesses better manage their resources. And basically we're entering a new phase of the business, and we want to push as much as possible for sales, so drive like leads from the website. Anything that can drive like some interactions with the website and that can engage the potential customer. And we're gonna be using that both on Figma and on Webflow.
Nice.
And I'll be doing the Figma design, and you're gonna be doing the Webflow development. And we're gonna do that together. So, and that's what we're gonna try to do today. So I'm excited.
Nice. Nice. Let's do some Webflow stuff.
Yeah.
Webflow stuff. Okay, I need to get used to this gimbal. All right, here's some progress report.
Yes. Slider is dope.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Awesome progress report. Slider is dope.
Yes,
What are you saying?
It's
Slider is dope.
Slider is dope.
That's what we like to hear.
Why Colibris? Why choose the solution?
Yeah, I'm tired here.
Super tired. We're doing a recap of the day, agenda for the next day. Good progress, very good progress. It shows on my tired eyes that we had good progress.